Hello there. Happy holidays. I hope this finds you well. This weekend is my little brother's wedding. Absolutely crazy that he's getting married before me. But so we're going to prepare for that. Also, this is the yeared update. So we're almost to the point of actually growing a full yeard. And for those of you that don't know what a yeard is, it's growing your beard out for a full year. That's not touching any portion of your beard, except you can clean up the cheek lines and around the side, but not the main portion of the beard. So this is almost complete. And what else? Oh, in regard to the hair, I really like the way that this cut that we did, what was it? I think it was a couple weeks ago, has grown out to, here, I'll do a little 360 to show you. So yeah, really digging the cut right now. So that being said, we're not going to really do anything crazy. We'll wait till after the wedding for that. But for now, we are going to clean up the neckline, the sideburns, and then also going back to the beard and the yeard at hand, we are going to clean up the cheek lines because the cheek lines are pretty dirty. And something else, for those of you that may not know, when you do clean up the cheek lines, it actually makes your beard look more full and more dense because this tends to be thin in a lot of people's beards. It's a thinner area. So we want to take out that weak point because you're only as strong as your weakest link. Is that how that goes? You know what I'm talking about. So yeah, so we're going to do that. And when it gets to the cheek line, there is a trick that I will be showing you. I have shown this before, but we're going to do it again. All of that being said, let's get into this. All right, so we're going to get the easy portion out of the way, which is a sideburn. We're just going to use a basic set of trimmers. You can use trimmers, clippers, whatever you have at hand. Boom. Oh, and as far as my preference with the sideburns, I just go straight across right here. And then I also just clean up around the ear as well. So we're going to do that. And then I guess I'll just get right into cleaning up the back of the neckline. But for that, I'm going to go over to the three-way mirror system that I have and cheat a little bit as far as cleaning up the neckline and making sure that the back of my neckline is straight across. There we go. Nothing crazy, super simple. Takes a matter of seconds, and it's things like this, little touch-ups, if you will, that can have a tremendous impact on your overall presentation for the better. Sideburns are done, super simple. What we're going to do right now, we're going to head over to the mirror system, and then I'm going to go ahead and clean up the neckline, and then we're going to get to the cheek line. You know what, sorry about that. I didn't give you a proper, I guess like a before and after shot. So here is, well, I guess now it's late, but I'll show you what I just did. So that's what I just did. And it probably looks something like this. Alrighty, so here's what we have. So the sideburns are now cleaned up on both sides. The neckline, good to go. And then I'm going to turn around and show you the back of my neckline. Okay, so now the relatively easy stuff is out of the way. Now we're going to get to the cheek line and the secret that I have pertaining to tackling the cheek line. A pencil, boom. We have something to trace around. So this right here, hopefully that's in focus. And then we have this. So this is a micro razor, eyebrow shaper. There's a few different names with this. You can pick this up from Walmart, Target, Amazon. I'll link everything that I can link in the description box below. But yeah, really easy. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this right here. Again, it's this thing right here from the Beard Struggle. I'll have, again, everything linked down below. And how I line this up is I go from the back of my sideburn to the front of my nose. And this is going to be the line that I'm going to take the pencil and trace around. So just like that. So we're going to do it right now. All right, here we are. Boom and boom. We have a nice symmetric curve on both sides. Next step we're gonna do, we are going to use some beard balm. Can you see this right here? Another product from the Beard Struggle. The scent for this is Viking Storm. This is my favorite scent that they have. And with the balm, you just warm it up a little bit. Boom, boom, boom. And have about this much. Boom. And warm it up. Make sure there's no clumps. Alrighty, so here we are. Got the cheek lines are cleaned up. Right here is all cleaned up. The neckline, I'll do a 360 so you can check it out. So again, there you have it. Super simple, super quick, really easy. Until the next one. Peace! We out.